the ultimate expression of what the 911 could be. For some people, the 911 is the perfect daily car. For others, such as myself, it's a race car. But for those who want to do everything and the perfect vehicle to attack your favorite dirt road, giving you the confidence of a TRX, but in a 911 shape, the 911 Dakar has truly cemented its reputation to be one of the most desirable 911s of them all. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today, we've done a lot of Porsche 992 exhaust demonstrations. We've showcased Carrera, Carrera S, had a bunch of people buy the exhaust for the turbo models, and we've really cranked up the 3-liter turbocharged flat 6 experience. Having spent some time with this car, it is unparalleled how good of a driving experience this car delivers. Ability to rip down your favorite back road or hit the dirt. So in this video today, we know that a lot of Dakar owners are going to really utilize the car to its fullest potential. And the car in our shop has our full exhaust system. It's got the bypass sections on it, and it's using our valve titanium rear section with the OEM valve operation. It's brand new with under 300 miles on it. This car is for someone very, very special, and we want to make sure we take care of that. But now, without further ado, let's get to the sound of what might be the best 911 of them all. Come take a look. Dakar experience has definitely been drastically improved. Porsche, when this car came out, the 992s compared to the 991.2, exterior exhaust experience became extremely lackluster. The use of different turbochargers and also the use of a very different exhaust manifold really made the sound very flat. So Porsche has tried hard to accentuate the intake sound, but it leaves you with a very vacuum cleaner sounding exhaust experience. With the Valvetronic full setup, you have your free flow section, then it goes into an X pipe when the exhaust valves are open. When the exhaust valves are closed, it goes through that large center muffler. The cool thing is we're driving a basically race configuration with the valves open. The valves are open, off throttle, with the pops and cracks, the car spits flames. It's really an engaging experience, but driving around 47 miles an hour right now in normal mode, it sounds like I'm in church. So quiet in here that you have the flexibility, and you could use this car every day if you so choose. This exhaust experience is the ultimate when compared to the other options on the market, because you can just dial in the sport and dial in the exhaust button, and you get a much more exciting experience behind you, which is a lot more engaging. The exhaust experience, like off throttle, you get those aggressive pops and cracks. We actually saw this setup at night actually spits flames. It's really cool. When you add the bypass pipes with the rear section, you just gain so much extra excitement and drama, which what these cars go for 300 grand, that's what you want. We're gonna put you guys outside now. We're gonna do some flybys to showcase what it sounds like outside the car. And again, yes, it's not crazy loud, but the sound quality is vastly improved. I'm excited for you guys to enjoy. We'll see you then. And that, everyone, is the Porsche 992 Dakar Valvetronic experience. Now, we know how special these cars are, and it requires a similar type of special exhaust configuration to really draw out as much excitement and enjoyment as the platform can possibly muster. This 3-liter turbocharged flat 6 is such a special engine for its dynamics, the way it sounds on the interior, on the intakes, but the exhaust experience definitely leaves a lot to be desired. Whether you have this, a 911, 992 GTS, Carrera, Carrera S, Turbo, or Turbo S, this exhaust system is the best option for you to give you huge flexibility and to deliver that motorsport experience that you might have been able to get from a GT3, but these cars are rather lackluster in that area from factory. But of course, we are in business to make sure that that enjoyment is yours to keep. Thanks again so much, everybody, for watching and enjoying this video. You can see we've done some more cinematics. This video is very special because this car is going to somebody very, very special. For someone who's very important to me in my life, this person is going to use it, enjoy it, love it, and of course, its journey with us begins right here with getting the best exhaust configuration. If you're looking to get this exhaust for your Dakar or your other 911 or your Porsche or any other vehicle, check us out at valvetronic.com. Feel free to give us a phone call if you have questions. Reach out to us via our Instagram live chat, via email. We are here to make sure that you are not driving around stock and boring, and that we can deliver the ultimate sound experience. Thanks for watching.